Are your invoices still using Xero's default look? You know, that plain, unbranded template that everyone sees? That is actually costing you brand trust every single time you send one. But the good news is you can fix that right now. In just a few minutes, I am going to show you how to create a custom branding theme in Xero that makes your invoices look polished, professional, and completely on brand. It is a small change that makes a huge impression on your clients. So here is the plan. We are going to walk through the exact settings inside Xero. We will start by naming your theme, then move on to uploading your logo, and finally we will configure all the important invoice details. Let us jump right in. First things first, go ahead and log into your Xero account. Once you are in, you will want to click on the accounting menu over on the left-hand side. From there, just select Accounting Settings. This opens up a whole list of configuration options, but the one we care about is Invoice Settings. Click on that. Now you should be looking at your current invoice setup. Look for the button that says New Branding Theme and click it. This is where the magic happens. Alright, we are now in the New Branding Theme window. The very first thing you need to do is give your theme a name. This is just for internal use, so pick something descriptive like your company name or a specific client tier. I usually just use my business name to keep it simple. Type that in. Next up, you will see the option to upload your company logo. This is crucial. If you do not have a logo on your invoices, you are missing a major opportunity to build recognition. Click the Upload area and select your logo file from your computer. Xero works best with PNG or JPG files. Once it uploads, you will see it appear on the preview. And here is a practical tip. Make sure your logo has some white space around it so it does not get cut off or look crowded on the invoice. Now we get to the really important part, configuring the invoice settings. This is where you really make the invoice your own. You will see sections for the invoice layout, payment terms, and the content that appears in the header and footer. Take your time here. You can add your business address, phone number, and a custom message for your clients. I like to include a thank you note right in the footer. It is a small touch, but clients notice it. You can also adjust the color scheme in some versions of Xero to match your brand colors. And pay attention to the payment terms section. Set a clear due date, like 30 days, and include your payment instructions. The more detail you give, the fewer follow-up questions you will get. I have done this setup many times, and the key is to preview each change as you go, so you can catch any alignment issues early. Once you have configured everything the way you like, take a moment to review all the branding theme details. Scroll through the preview on the right and double-check that your logo looks good, your contact info is correct, and the overall design feels professional. It is easy to miss a typo here, so a quick scan saves you from sending out something sloppy. When you are happy with it, click the Save button at the bottom. That is it. Your new branding theme is now active and ready to use. And there you go. You have just transformed your invoices from generic and forgettable to polished and professional. Your clients will notice the difference, and it adds a layer of credibility to every transaction. If you found this helpful, go ahead and apply this to your own Xero account. Thanks for watching.